Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode. And on this episode, we will talk about rubbing alcohol and its effect on not only hair loss, but also how it will impact your skin. So with that said, let's get right into it. Now, I want you guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit that notification bell if you haven't hit that notification bell, and give us some likes. All right, now with that off the table, the thing with rubbing alcohol, it has been something that we have used. It's become something traditional that we've used in our home, and as well as when we go to the barber. You know, you go to the barber shop, you get a fresh lineup, you know what I'm saying? And then they hit you with the alcohol, and you morph into somebody for 5 seconds, you know what I mean? Something different, you know what I mean? But you feel like, oh, this is helping me. You know, you think that is actually helping you by the burn, by the unpleasant burn, but in fact, it may not be. So let me just kind of talk about a little bit about 5 things that will impact your skin and your hair. And then also I want to talk to you guys about some alternatives that you can use. So number 1, alcohol will dry your skin. It literally dehydrates your skin. Not to mention when you're getting a lineup, whether it's in the inner perimeter of the beard, right here in the front, you know, you're getting a lineup, right? And then you're getting the blade, which is taking off a layer of skin. So once they remove a layer of skin, they throw on that alcohol. Then now they're throwing on a drying ingredient. Now it dries these small capillaries that you need to get blood and to get minerals and vitamins to the follicle. So now it adds on to the destruction of the follicle that's holding the hair together. So then now you're like, yo, my joint used to be here. Now it's way back here. Now, I'm not saying that alcohol is the only culprit, but it is a mixture of things that are going on. And if you add alcohol on top of it, all that's doing is just accentuating the problem and making it worse. All right. Number 2, rubbing alcohol will sensitize your skin over time. Okay. By weakening the skin. So you may not never had sensitive skin. You're like, yo, I ain't never had sensitive skin. But over time, as you get older, it doesn't happen like the same day, right? Even though you are affected the same day, but the long-term issues that you will have, you begin to see it over a time span. Number 3, rubbing alcohol will make your skin more oilier. So for people who have oily skin, they're like, yo, man, my skin oily, what I need to do? They look up, oh, put some alcohol on it. So they use the alcohol to get the oil off, and before you know it, they're like, yo, my face looks shinier than what it did before I used the rubbing alcohol. Why? Because your body is communicating to itself saying, oh man, you're dry around your skin. We need to produce more oils. So it's starting to go to work. It gets to work, you know, producing more oils. It got everybody up. Everybody like, oh, okay, cool, we working. So it starts to work. And then now all of a sudden your face is more oily than what it was before because now your skin is dry. So you just have this vicious cycle that you're continuing to go around like a hamster in a wheel. You're not really getting any results. Number 4, rubbing alcohol is pro-aging. All right, so if you guys don't want to do the reverse Benjamin Button, when you don't want to age fast, then you want to stop using rubbing alcohol, okay? Rubbing alcohol is going to prohibit your skin to renew itself, regenerate itself, replenish itself. It's going to compromise that layer of skin that is there to protect us, okay? And if we are enabling it to create cycles, our skin goes into these cycles, right? Renew, rejuvenate, replenish itself. If your skin is unable to do that, then it won't look healthy, okay? And it will begin to age and it will begin to break down. So be very cognizant of using rubbing alcohol. Again, like I said, I would recommend you just to not use it at all. But again, it's totally up to you, all right? Number 5, one of the things you got to understand with rubbing alcohol, it doesn't kill all bacteria and all fungus spores. What are fungus spores? So I was doing some research, and so from reading, fungus spores are bacteria, of course, and fungus that transform into what they call spore cells when the internal conditions become unfavorable. All right, when they become unfavorable, then once those external conditions become favorable, then they pop their head right back up like a groundhog. You know what I mean? Like a groundhog. That's basically kind of like the imagery I got in my head. They pop their head back up like a groundhog and they back at it, going back to work. You know what I'm talking about? So these things are smart. You know what I mean? Bacteria and fungus guys, you know what I mean? They got a little, they ain't dumb as you think. Now, B, what are some alternatives? Well, some alternatives is you can use non-alcoholic aftershaves. Now, another option that you can go with is witch hazel. In the description, you'll find the non-alcoholic aftershave that is 100% natural, and as well as it is healthy for your skin. So this is your boy B. I'm bringing you the knowledge, something that's going to empower you and your family, and then we can empower the whole world and illuminate, all right? So again, this is your boy B. I'm bringing you the knowledge.